Hello everyone, you might have heard of data-driven decision-making buzzword as a business analytics enthusiast. And through this tutorial, we will be strengthening our business analytics skills and strengthening our data-driven decision-making skills with help of Microsoft Power BI. So in this tutorial, we will work on data visualization with Power BI, pre-processing and data cleaning with Power Query, and we will learn about DAX functions, and also we will create some basic reporting automations with Power Automate. Yeah, I already discussed majority part of schedule in the beginning, and I will again describe you everything about schedule in detail now. So first video, which is the current video, we will see what exactly is business analytics and also what exactly is Power BI. In the next video, we will be working on finance dashboard, which will be very basic dashboard to just getting to know about Power BI GUI, and basically you will see how the Power BI GUI works. Third video will be of data cleaning and pre-processing with Power Query. We will dive into Power Query and use it for data cleaning. The fourth video will be related to inventory management and capacity planning dashboard, and we will see how can we use the Power BI such powerful tool in the manufacturing sector. Fifth video will be of DAX functions, and we will dive into DAX functions in this video. Sixth video will be related to sales and marketing dashboard, and we will also learn how can we use the data sets from particular links or particular websites to create a dashboards or sales campaign related data to create a dashboard. Seventh video will be related to Power Automate, and we will be learning to create basic automations with Power Automate. In the eighth video, we will summarize everything, and I will give you an assignment to complete so that you can apply all these skills and create one project for you. What is business analytics? So you might be thinking of what exactly is business analytics. So business analytics is, it's not just about creating the dashboards, collecting the data, but collecting it, analyzing it, and creating some valuable insights from this dashboard so that business can be improved. So there are four types of business analytics. First one is descriptive analytics, which means what happened. So we use historical and current data to see the changes over time, and we check what exactly happened in the process. The example can be tracking the website traffic to see the changes over time, and we can see how the customers are reacting. Diagnostic analytics. Diagnostic analytics is mostly about why did it happen. We can see it as a root cause analysis for the businesses. Basically, it finds out the reasons why did it happen. Example can be a food delivery company which can use diagnostic analysis to identify why people are canceling the orders. Predictive analytics, what will happen. So we can predict the future factors based on the past and historical data to make some assumptions. For example, we can predict the capacity or inventory required for manufacturing company based on their current and past information. Prescriptive analytics, so it's mostly about what should we do. So it's mostly about making the decisions. For example, mobile companies can decide the features to include and exclude based on the data of their users. So there are multiple softwares or apps to create dashboards, or not only dashboard, to work on the business analytics. For example, like Tableau, Power BI, Looker, they are modern tools, but we can also use Excel and other tools. But these are the most popular three modern tools. I personally have worked on Looker and Power BI. We will talk about Looker maybe in the future videos, but I would like to discuss mostly about Power BI now. So, what exactly is Power BI? So, there are three variants in the Power BI, which are Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, Power BI Mobile Apps. We will be mostly working on Power BI Service since it's web based and really good. So, we will be using the Power BI Service. It allows users to just not connect multiple data sources to clean it, transform it with tools like Power Query, and also we can create reports and dashboards and also share it across the teams. So here are the three simple steps to setting up your account. You can follow this to set up your account. You can go through these details. Maybe you can pause the video and you can create your account. So here is the Power BI GUI, Power BI Service GUI, I will say. It includes details about my account. Here at my photo, I can do some changes in my settings and related to the data of my account. Here is the home. You can see multiple dashboards which I already created in the past, and you can access all your dashboards with this home option. Here is a Copilot integrated in the Power BI app or Power BI service. On the create button, if you click on create, you can create your new dashboards or reports. Here are few other options. Particularly this metrics option has a few few built-in templates to use for your dashboards. And in the learn option, you can also learn about Power BI and Power BI service. Inside workspaces, you can categorize multiple workspaces. For example, your personal workplace, workspace, your university workspace, your company workspace, like that. And you can also share these links with your teammates. Inside my workspace, you can visualize your dataset, which is also called a semantic model in the Power BI, because dataset stands for other thing in the Power BI. So you can say semantic model. You can visualize what exactly are your semantic models, where are they coming from, and details like that. So understanding what are the metrics and KPIs is very important in the business analytics. So metrics are basically quantifiable measures which are used to track and access the status of business processes, and KPIs are like significant changes, I can say. They are part of metrics, but it can be tracked over time, and you can check few insights from the KPIs and improve the business processes. Even KPI stands for key performance indicators. Here indicators is a synonym of metrics. So here are a few examples of KPIs. In the finance, we can say revenue or growth, or profit margin. In the sales, we can see number of leads, conversion rate. In the manufacturing sector, we can check the production efficiency, inventory turnover. In the marketing, we can check the website traffic and campaign ROI. So why KPIs are important? They help us to make the data driven decisions, help us to monitor the process continuously, and we can set the target and monitor the deviation, and focuses on team on what truly matters. So we can identify the areas which are really important and we can focus on such areas. I hope you have enjoyed the first video of this series, and in the next video we will learn about creating simple finance dashboard with help of Power BI, and learn more about data visualization with Power BI. And if you like or enjoy learning about such technical topics, then I will suggest you to subscribe to my channel and reach out to me